Creating a tube. So a tube is essentially a cylinder with a hole in it. To create a tube, we're going to click in the active viewport. We're going to go up, choose tube in our command panel. We're going to come down and we're going to click and hold our left mouse button down at the center. We're going to drag it out to get to the radius. We're going to let go. Then I'm going to drag it back in towards the center to create how much diameter I have, the inside diameter. Then I'll click. Then I'm going to pull it up or down. All right. So I'm going to pull it up. I'm going to make it a pan and zoom here. I'm going to pull it up and make a tall tube out of that. You can see over here in my parameters that I can set the radius here, and maybe I meant it to be 40, right? And a radius of 20. And maybe I wanted the height to be 132, right? The height segments, you can see in the height I have 5 different segments, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are divisions of the primitive. And then I have 1 division on the top, and I have 18 subdivisions that go around the side. So if you count them up, 18. I have the smooth turned on. I can uncheck that if I want to have a faceted tube. And I can also slice it from any angle to any other angle. So I'm going to right click, right? And now let's do another one. I'm going to go up to tube. This time I'm going to do an edge creation method. So I'm going to pick on one end of the diameter, I'm going to pick on the other end of the diameter. I'm going to drag it back to how far I want to have the inside diameter of the tube. Then I'm going to drag it this time downwards. And I ended up making, in this case, a edge creation method. Let's do one more time. Here, let's go up the tube. We're going to go back to the center, which is default. Let's do a slice this time. We're going to go and say I want, let's slice from 2, and I'll go 180. Okay, so I'm going to pick, drag it out to the outside, let go, drag it back, create my inside diameter, drag it up, and pick. Okay, now I'm going to right click to finish the command, right? And you can see at this point, right, that I got half of a, I got half of a tube there going on. All right, so that is a tube standard primitive.